Radiohead, but I heard Lucy O'Byrne sing it on The Voice UK in a classical style, and it's called No Surprises, and I couldn't find the music anywhere, like nowhere had it, and for the classical version, and my amazing friend Emma was able to like save me, and
Yes.
she's here.
Go on, Emma. Stand up, Emma. Stand up, Emma.
Come on, all
Well
time.
done.
Stand up.
Stand up and take it. Well done, Emma. Brilliant.
She put together a piano backing track for me, so, and we must have spent how many hours? Like 6 hours, like for like over 3 days, like 6 hours a day. Like we were in her house like so much, and we put it together, and I hope you guys like it.